Hello everyone, this is Dr. Akshay Sandal, BDS from Punjab, member of National Organization of Dental Surgeons. So, we are all ready to open our clinics? This is the question. We all are ready to open our clinics? Many articles across the globe have suggested that dental surgeons are on high risk to COVID-19. We all know that lockdown is extended and may be extended further and may go on like this. And the thing to worry is the number of cases of COVID-19 is increasing day by day. Thing to worry. Coming to the topic, we all know that MHA has came with a certain guidelines that all OPDs has to be opened in red zone, orange zone, green zone, except containment zone. And along with that, they have directions for dental clinics that use of PPE kits, N95 masks, goggles, latex examination gloves, etc. And also remark that aerosol production procedures should be anticipated. But they have kept dental surgeons in moderate risk. Is it correct? Point to think. Is it correct? Some of us will say, we are doctors, we can handle all the things alone. Some of us, I'm not saying all, but some of us will say, we can handle all the things. But is that much easy? We should have proper guideline before opening our clinics. The reason behind it is, if anything happened to your patient, you will get sued. You will get sued in the court. If this happen, then what? Point to think, then what? Look, the practice of dentistry in India is like middle class dentists are more. Abundant of dentists are middle class. Many of us are running their clinics on boilers, pressure cooker. Is that okay from our side? Point to think, is that okay from our side? In last video, if you have heard, if not, below we will provide a link where I talked about the financial issues of the dentist in the era of COVID-19, like rents of the clinic, salary of the staff, electricity bills, household bills, EMIs, extra. And along with that, many of us did their BDS, MDS by taking loans, and they all have to pay EMIs for the same. But what now? As the clinics are closed, what now? Yes, I am agree with that. Proper guideline. If you have a proper guideline, it will enhance our practice in future. Along with that, also enhance the health of our staff, and most important, health of the patient visiting our clinics. But the problem is, before that, we all have to spend 2 to 3 lakhs for making certain modifications so we can cop COVID-19 in our clinics. Yes, you cannot beat COVID-19 as well. If we think practically, in personal protective equipment, we need N95 mask, goggles, latex examination gloves, face shield, extra. And it may range between 1000 to 3500. And all these we have to buy again and again for each and every patient. Not for a patient, also for our staff, for the assistant assisting us. And I'm also seeing that certain gadgets also floating in the market for the sterilization and reduce the effect of aerosol productions, like aerosol suction, fumigation, negative pressure, vacuum station, etc., etc. But the cost, the cost will range between 20k to 30k. And we all know that the autoclave we are using in our clinics is not more than a pressure cooker. We have to buy authentic autoclave, and you know the range. The range of that autoclave is 50k to 1 lakh. I'm not saying these gadget will end the COVID-19, and I'm also not saying that you all have to buy all these things. It's your own decision. You have to see, it's your own decision. And you know one thing, if we have to buy all these things, we have to spend 2 to 3 lakhs. This is the issue. Point 2, think yourself. One thing can happen if government subsidize all the rates, prices of these equipments. So it may be feasible to all the dentists from top to bottom. Availability of these products on subsidized rate is must. And one thing, we all need security insurance for ourselves, our staff. And moreover, we need to be guided with COVID-19 training. So if at all we encountered any COVID case, we all will not be put under the law of Epidemic Act. The motive of this video is to talk on the behalf of my colleagues, my budding dentists, my colleagues, my friends who are stressed at that time. I hope you will agree a bit with us, and please support us and share this. Save dentistry, save dentist. Thank you.